How to add first name automatically in Mailchimp in the actual emails. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically what we're trying to achieve here is that when you send out emails, it's actually going to automatically get the name of the person that you want to send the email to. And it's actually going to insert it as, an intro. For example, hello, John Doe. You get the idea. So it's going to be automatic for you, so you don't have to go for to change it manually for each and every single contact that you have. So in this case, what we are going to be doing is two things. One is to ensure that the merge tag for first name is available for us, and second is we want to apply it to our email. So let's just go and show you exactly what to do. So the first thing is ensuring that the merge tag is available for the first name, which it should be, but let's just be sure about it. So what we need to do is just go to the audience tab, click on all contacts, and then once we click on all contacts, we just want to click on settings. And from settings, we just want to click on audience fields and merge tags. So we're just going to click on that. Merge tags basically are tags, if inserted, it's just going to automatically grab the information needed. For example, if it's the merge tag of email, then it's automatically going to insert the email of the contact that you want to send to. Same goes for first name and last name. So you should find this one, first name and last name, and you should also see the tag for the first name and last name, which is F name and also L name with these icons right next to them. So once we made sure that these are available, which they should be unless you have removed them. If you did remove them, in that case, you just wanted to go to add a field from the bottom, select first name, which is not shown here for me, or you just click on text and just give it first name and so on. But because it is already in here, I can't really do so. So cancel adding a field and we're pretty much good to go. So now we just need to go ahead and go to campaigns, click on all campaigns, and then we just want to click on create from the top right. And basically we just wanted to go ahead and create our campaign like usual. So I'm just going to go for regular email, design email, and then we can just go and get started. So here's the part that we need to be aware of is going to be, you will need to select the audience, the proper audience for this, because if not, it's not actually going to work and you can't even preview it without it. So just make sure you select a proper audience for this. So in here, I'm not really sure if this account has any contacts, so I'm just going to add some and get back to you. Okay, so adding contacts is not as easy as it seems, so I did face a lot of errors and stuff. But anyways, you will need to add your contacts to be able to do so. But anyways, once you did do that, you obviously want to adjust the subject and everything until we find the content. Here is pretty much where all is needed. So we can just go and get started with designing an email and click on the design that you wish to go for. So I'm just going to go for a default one. If I can just find one here from there, and we can just use this one. Okay, great. So here we will need to insert the merge tag in order to add the names automatically. And to do so, we can just go and start with any body of text and type in something like hello, and then just, comma, and then we can just add the name right away, or we can, just do this. And in this case, what we need to do is either enter the merge tag manually, like so. It was F name, like so. And this is now pretty much set. And now it should take the name of the first, the first name of the contacts that you send it to, and we're pretty much good to go. Or if you don't want to type it out every single time, what we can do is also just go ahead and point the cursor somewhere. And what we can do is just click on the three dots on the top right. Once you do that, you can just go to merge tags and you will find first name. Because I did not add any contacts, this is why it's not shown for me. But for you, you should be able to see it right away. For example, I'm just going to select email address this time. and you can actually see we have email good to go. And yeah, we can just save and exit, and we are pretty much good to go. We are set. And now here is going to say something like, hello, John. You can define the layout of your email and so on. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.